Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva on your phone. First, head to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the free Canva application. Once installed, open it up and either sign in with your existing account or quickly create a new one. The process takes less than 1 minute. You'll then land on the home screen, ready to explore countless design possibilities right from your fingertips. Now that you're logged in, let's pick a template. Canva offers thousands of professionally designed templates for everything from social media posts to invitations. Simply tap on one that catches your eye. To customize, tap any text box to edit the words, change the font style, or adjust its size. You can also easily modify colors and other visual elements with just a few taps on your screen. To make your design truly unique, explore the Elements tab. Here, you can add a vast array of photos, videos, stickers, and graphics. Simply tap to add them to your canvas. Once an element is on your design, you can easily resize it by pinching with 2 fingers or rotate it with a twist. Drag and drop to position elements exactly where you want them, building a rich, layered look. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share. Look for the download icon, usually a downward arrow, at the top of your screen. You can save your design directly to your phone's photo gallery. Canva also provides options to share your creation instantly across popular social media platforms or send it via messaging apps. You can choose from several file types, including high-quality PNG or standard JPG.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.